Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. This week is all about Super Bowl. You might go out to watch the game or simply have your friends over. And if that's the case, you need good food. I posted so many incredible party recipes like baked Greek pita wedges, chicken nuggets, beer cheese dip, clam casino spread, sweet chili chicken bites, pull apart garlic bread, and so on. Now, here's another great one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pizza dip. As the title infers, this is a pizza in dip form. Simple as that. It's easy to make and so tasty. This is definitely a party food recipe that you can enjoy anytime. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium bowl, we'll add cream cheese, 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, some Parmesan cheese, plus Italian seasoning. And to get this homemade recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll combine the ingredients and make sure our cream cheese is at room temperature. Otherwise, it might take a little longer. I'm serious. Do what I say, don't do what I do. And when we finally get there, then we'll spoon the cheese mixture into a 2-quart baking dish that we greased with cooking spray. We'll spread it out as evenly as possible before adding a cup of pizza sauce. You know the small can they sell at the grocery store? That's the one I use. Just like we did with the cheese, we'll spread it out as well. Then we'll evenly distribute half of the mini pepperoni, which you can find in the deli section of your supermarket. Another ingredient we'll also add is half of the sliced black olives, and then set aside. Now let's move on to the stove. In a skillet over medium heat, we'll add Italian sausage. If you want to make it from scratch, click on the link to get the recipe. We'll only cook halfway, which should take about 1.5 minutes, breaking the meat into small pieces. To this, we'll add yellow onions and green peppers. We'll quickly saute everything for a couple minutes and then add the mushrooms. We'll stir them into the mixture, making sure they're well coated with the fat so they can absorb it, and cook them for a good 3 to 4 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add a big clove of pressed garlic and saute for only 1 minute. We'll remove from the heat and using a slotted spoon, we'll add the meat mixture to our baking dish. As much as fat is flavor, we don't want our pizza dip to be oily, so it's a good idea to leave the fat behind. Then we'll add the remaining mini pepperoni, followed by the remaining sliced black olives, and then top with the remaining 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. We'll now transfer the baking dish to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 22 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest a couple minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our pizza dip. It's perfect to serve for the Super Bowl or any other sporting event and party. This is a flavorful, fun food packed with tasty ingredients. If you don't have time to make a pizza from scratch, the next best thing is to make this tasty dip. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!